Not enough caffeine in chocolate for you? Try this Chocolate Buzz Milkshake for a real pick-me-up. In a blender, add the milk, ice cubes, and espresso coffee. Cover and blend until smooth. Then, scoop in the chocolate ice cream, add in the hot chocolate mix and chocolate syrup. Cover and blend once more until smooth. Pour into tall glasses, garnish with chocolate syrup, strawberry, whipped cream, and chocolate shavings. Serve immediately and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.